Yo, I want to introduce to you our master planning feature, more precisely how we set up concept and constraints. The main goal of this feature is the creation of raw building blocks based on topological principles and parameters connected with sunlight, daylight, distance between buildings, etc. Before setting any task you have to obtain definitions. So here we have 5 definitions and I'm going from large to small. So, site, zone, building plot, building footprint, and building blocks. Also, we divided master planning process into 4 steps. First step is site dividing. Here we divide your construction site into several zones. Second step is about building plotting. I would say we go into every zone and we put some building spots here. Third step is about building fitting. So we extract building blocks configuration from the database and we try to fit it into your building spots. First step is about building massing based on sunlight. Here we start to walk into 3D. So we play around your building block heights and we try to give you the best solution based on sunlight calculations. So now I'm going to show you in a short video few examples how it works. Here you can see construction site divided into few zones, and I can easily play with such parameters like offset and rotation. It's easy to understand how it works because of changes, Yeah. And also here you can play around with parameters like area maximum. In that way I can easily manage in how many zones my site will be divided. Also, of course, I can change my site and nothing wrong. Now you can see that our site divided into one zone and we can play around building block plotting. For example, width. I can easily change width of my building spots. Of course, I can go through parameters like boundary distance. You can see how it works. Yeah, let's go next. Also, I can play around such parameters like length, max length for my building spots. Yeah, it's obvious how it works. Also, now let's turn on our building fitting service and we can see how building blocks fit into our building spots. As I said before, these blocks were gotten from the database, which can be easily updated. So let's play around sunlight calculations. The same picture here. We can play around few parameters like maximum building block heights. Yeah, it's obvious to understand how it works. Also, you can play with coefficient, which determines how much building surface may not receive enough daylight or sunlight. Yeah, you can see how it works. Yeah, and also you can say with minimum required sunlight or daylight. So yeah, it's easy to understand. That's how it works. Yeah, let's move this building around just for understanding how it works. You can see how everything is changed. So this is about how our master planning feature is working. And I'm going to share with you this document, this PDF document, in which you can easily go through the steps. You can understand how every parameter works in Kreo Design master plan feature. So you can really go through and you can easily understand. Yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you for attention. See you soon. Bye.